Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm ycelbee Manalo. Please watch this video. Hope you enjoy and don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you. Ang recipe po natin today is chicken creamy white adobo. You need 1/2 kilo chicken, onion and garlic, ginger and green chili, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, pepper, evaporada or evaporated milk. Igisa ang luya. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Add onion and garlic. Idagdag na po natin ang chicken. Pakuluan ang chicken gamit ang sarili nitong sabaw over low fire. Evaporated milk. You can add half or the whole can. Depende po kung gusto nyo ng masabaw na adobo. Add vinegar, pepper, and oyster sauce. Add chili and salt. Add 1 chicken cube. Lutuin over low fire ang adobo at i-check from time to time kasi baka maiga ang sabaw. Katulad ng pagkaiga ng pagmamahal niya sa'yo. Char. Kung may extra ka pang sili, you can add 1 more for added flavor. guys, kindly don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Guys, kung sawa na kayo sa dark adobo, you can try this white adobo.